morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX weekly outlook for Monday, April 6th. The euro declined 0.83% against the US dollar and closed at 1.0970. The euro gained ground against the dollar on Friday after data showing that the US economy added far fewer jobs than expected last month prompted investors to push back expectations for higher interest rates. The pair is expected to find support at 1.0967 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0964. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.0976 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.0982. In the week ahead, markets outside the US will remain closed on Monday. The US is to release what will be closely watched data on service sector activity on Monday, and the Federal Reserve is to publish the minutes of its March meeting on Wednesday. The British pound declined 0.62% against the US dollar and closed at 1.4919. The dollar fell against the pound on Friday after an unexpectedly weak US non-farm payrolls report reduced market expectations for a mid-year rate hike by the Federal Reserve. The pair is expected to find support at 1.4910 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4905. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.4920 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.4925. The US dollar strengthened 0.63% against the Japanese yen and closed at 118.95. The dollar fell to one-week lows against the yen on Friday after a surprisingly weak US jobs report for March fueled expectations that the Federal Reserve may delay an expected interest rate increase for longer. The pair is expected to find support at 118.94 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 118.93. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 118.97 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 118.99. The Australian dollar declined 1.56% against the US dollar and closed at 0.7530. The Australian dollar bounced off a 6-year low against the US counterpart on Friday after disappointing US non-farm payrolls data prompted investors to push back expectations for a rate hike in the US to the end of the year. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7631 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7628. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7638 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7642. Gold declined 0.60% against the US dollar at 1202.60. Gold prices were likely to open higher when trade resumes on Monday, as weaker than expected US employment data prompted investors to push back expectations for a rate hike in the US to the end of the year. The pair is expected to find support at 1179.94 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1159.17. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1220.94 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1241.17. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options and more, covering a wide range of markets, including energy, metals, indices and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate tab, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.